Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn what is meant by indentation in Python and how it is useful and why it is useful for conditional statements. I am going to explain that. After that, we will start a number of examples. As you know, we will learn by examples only. Okay. Now, before going to start, I will explain you first what is the need for indentation with a small example. Okay. Okay. Then you will understand it better. Okay. Now, think that you know what is meant by if already. I explain you if condition is true, some extra code need to execute and then come back to the same flow. If condition is false, directly execute the same flow. This is the scenario. If condition is true, or else if he is VIP, do special processing. If it is a normal person, come back and do normal process only. For both of them, exit door is common. If VIP, special treatment. If normal, come normal. This is the scenario if condition, right? Now there is one question. What I need to do means I will use some the user will give some input. Okay. If the user will give some input 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, 0. If the number is 5, if the number is 5, print VIP. If the number is 5, print VIP. Okay. If the number is not 5, then just print the number only. If it is 2, we will print 2. If it is 3, we will print 3. If it is 4, we will print 4. If it is 5, we will print VIP followed by that 5. Okay. If it is 1, we will print 1. If it is 0, 0. This is the program. Okay. Now, I wrote the program also. Just see here. For every number, first I will take the input. From the user, I will take the input. First, I will take the input. After getting the input, what I will do means I will add a condition. If the number is equals to 5, if it is equal to 5, then what I should do? Print VIP. Print VIP. It will print VIP. Followed by then. What I should do? Print the number as it is. Print the number as it is. We are human beings. We know the question. We read the question as a programmer, so that we know that this first line only belongs to this if condition. Second line is a normal code. Second line is a normal person code. In the question, if they add print VIP followed by print print superpower superpower also if they include in the question. Now, how to differentiate these two lines with the third line means these are special lines, right? These are special lines. If condition is true, then only we should use these two statements, or else this statement must be used by everyone. This statement must be used by everyone. How to differentiate special statement, normal statement, if statement, normal statement? How to differentiate? For that, in C language or Java language or C++ language, what they did means one beautiful thing they introduced: brackets. These brackets they introduced. If within the brackets that belongs to this if followed by some brackets, it means this code belongs to that if condition, right? Now, this Python language is like Gen Z, latest language. Now, out of all the languages, this is the latest language. They are thinking, why should I use two brackets? My hand is paining na, to press the bracket two times. What I should do? So they did one beautiful concept, which only not only these brackets, without brackets also, how we should do this. So that what they did means, I will explain you. See this, what they did means, I am explaining you simply. See what they did means they moved this code somewhat right side. Okay, this is very beautiful thing. See this space, they kept this space. Now see how beautiful the code is. If this block of code belongs to this if, why? Because they are maintaining some space, they are maintaining some distance, they are maintaining some distance. See this figure, if condition, they are moving side right, some flow from the existing flow, they are maintaining some distance. That distance is this distance, that distance is this distance. Instead of brackets, we no need to use the brackets actually, just to give some space, just to give some space. This space means nothing but indentation, the amount of space given before the lines to differentiate the amount of space. See, this is the space. Okay, while ever you are writing the code, if you give the space, then it will belong to the if condition. For example, think this is line number 1, this is line number 2, line number 3, line number 4. Okay, Now observe very carefully. Now line 1 I started here. Then line 2 I started here. Line 3 I started here. Line 4 I started here. Then only line number 2 belonging to the if condition. How many lines? How many lines? I write with the same gap. With the same gap. Those many lines will be belonging to the same if condition. Okay. I hope the concept is very clear. Very simple. The space. Okay, the space you are giving belonging to the if condition, that's all. If you give some space, that will belonging to this block, it's a child of that. In the directory, subdirectory, you know, right? First, this is a home directory. In that home directory, some x directory. In the y folder, z folder. Again, if you come to the basic path, this is the base path. Similarly, they followed the same strategy. If you are going into some if condition, that statements will go with some space. For this space, it can be programmer specific. One space, two space, three space, four space, like this, like this, like this. I tried it till 10, it is working. Above 11, my hand is paining to press it 11 times the space button. But don't use those things, it is not specific. As a programmer, some style is maintained, right? So use a tab. There is one button above caps lock. Above caps lock, there is one button, tab. Okay, tab, press that button. It will give some good space, good amount of space. Okay, like four spaces will be considered as one tab. Actually, you can use like that. So we will experiment. If you want, we can experiment also. See, I will show you one example. So just I am using online GDB compiler. First here select the language, Python language. If you click run button, if it is hello world, if it is coming hello world, then it is fine. Okay. Now we'll test this. First, 1 minute. Let me take the keyboard. Okay. Now here, see, I am taking one input. Let the input be small, easy. Just I am taking three. Okay. If if a equal to 5. See here, one colon is there. I will explain the syntax in next video. Just listen. Okay. See, I am nothing I am doing. Just I am pressing enter. If you observe, it is maintaining some space also. Just if you observe, it is maintaining space also. So that print VIP. So it will print VIP. After that, if it is normal number or any number, print A. What it will do? First, it will check this condition. If the condition is true, it will print. It will go inside this if condition. It will check the statements and it will print. Now let's check. For 3, what is the output? A equal to 5, false. Then it should, the extra block should not execute. It will come with the normal flow only. So that it will print only 3. Correct. So it is printing 3. Now, what if I make A equal to 5? Okay. A equal to 5. Now it is, see, it is printing VIP. It had gone inside. After that, it is coming back to the normal flow. Just we have seen the flow. I hope this is video clear with the video with some program. Next we'll solve good questions. Then you will get more clear. Now see the screen once. Now see the screen once. If, see, the figure is like this. The flow is coming from top to bottom. If condition is true, you need to use some block. Again come back to the same flow. If it is false, again you will meet at the same flow. Again you will continue the flow, top to bottom flow. Top to bottom flow. If the condition is true, you will go like this and you will come back. If the condition is false, you will come directly like this. Similarly we did, if a equal to 5, you will go here, you will print VIP. Again you will come back. If a equal to 5 false, directly come to niche. This is the flow for if condition, and you must understand what is indentation. So why you are giving some space. And see here, if I am pressing, see, if I maintain one space also, one space, see, one space bar, still it is running good. If it is two space bar, still is running good. Everything it will run good. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, who will count like this? We are not uh, who will remember all this count? So that what you will do means just simply tab. See, if I press tab, how good it is? It is maintaining some space. See, for example, I will write something. It looks good, the space is very good. So every programmer can understand it good way, and the program looks beautiful. The program looks like a beautiful code. So that everyone uses indentation with a tab space. As a good programmer style, you should use this. Okay, we'll meet in the next video. Okay, bye guys.